Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this FlexMoney review are down in the description below. This review is based on my personal experience using their services. Here's my take on FlexMoney personal loans. FlexMoney is a Canadian online lending platform offering quick, unsecured personal loans through a completely digital application. Loan amounts can range from a modest $500 all the way up to $15,000, with repayment terms flexible between 6 and 60 months. Interest rates are determined by individual creditworthiness, generally beginning around 18.9% April. Unlike traditional banking institutions, FlexMoney prioritizes speed and easy access, which makes it a viable choice for people needing funds quickly, bypassing lengthy approval procedures. The entire application process is online and only takes a few minutes to complete. Applicants must demonstrate a stable income, be at least 20 years of age, and hold a Canadian bank account with a history of positive balances. A significant advantage is the absence of prepayment penalties, allowing you to settle the loan ahead of schedule and save on interest payments. Upon approval, funds are usually deposited within 24 hours, making FlexMoney a solid option for pressing financial needs. Their fixed monthly payments contribute to predictable budgeting, and the automated system streamlines the repayment process. FlexMoney is a good fit for Canadians who have decent credit scores and steady incomes and are seeking a fast and straightforward personal loan. However, those with lower credit scores might not qualify or could face higher interest rates. In contrast to payday loan companies, FlexMoney offers installment loans with more manageable repayment plans. Nevertheless, it's always wise to compare different loan options before making a commitment. To summarize, FlexMoney provides a streamlined and effective method for obtaining an unsecured personal loan in Canada. It's quick, entirely online, and well-suited for individuals who meet the income and credit criteria. If you're thinking about a FlexMoney loan, be sure to click the links in the description below to explore the available options and determine if it aligns with your financial situation.